In today's training, I'm very excited to show you how you're going to create a one-person digital biz using AI. Can it be done? In this training, I'm going to aim to show you in less than 25, 20. You can give me that time. I guarantee you a positive experience, right? I'm going to give you a free playbook, one that can help you make more money, create more security, right? Build real freedom because 2026 AI is replacing jobs. Tariffs are unpredictable. The world is shifting fast. So the real question is, how do you create stability for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones, and keep the dream alive? Either way, this is your playbook. Today, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to launch digital knowledge business using AI. Spending I'm say zero. I'm saying low to zero because the platform was free, but now they're evolving, they're changing some things, and I'm very considerate. Right now, to the end of March 2026, you can get a 50% discount for using the platform we're going to use, right? I'm going to use Claude AI. You can use Gemini. You can use whatever the damn you want, right? Be your own boss. And you can be ready in minutes. So, cool. For those who don't know, let me get this on the screen. For those who don't know what NAS.io is, it's like school or what, but simpler, more flexible, and built for creators. And dare I say, digital product having events, workshops, all of that stuff. Yeah, turn me up because I'm back at you with another banger. Step number one, we need to put these prompts into AI so we get some clarity, so we get some intention, so we deploy some sort of a plan, right? Which is backed by some data analytical. So you know that this kid, say, okay, I'm 30 years old, right? This man in front of you is not just freestyling from the top of his head, right? We're being data driven as well as proactive. Because it was freezing earlier, we put prompts in already and it's got the results ready. Just in case it tried mugging us off, we was good to go. But what you want to do, I'm going to put these prompts in the chat, right? In underneath the training below so you can copy and paste it and use them as you should. And that will take you like, I'd say maybe like 5 minutes, maybe less because you can use the voice now and even reply like. So yeah, very, very quick. And as soon as we do this, then we get into the NAS.io and we apply the information and build it out. From the first prompt, you are a strategist, right? Helping an entrepreneur create a lock onto a profitable niche for a paid community with digital products. Step one now, discovery. Ask the user to answer these three questions. So when we put this prompt, it's going to ask us these three questions, right? And then when AI gets our answer, it can do what it's supposed to do and make our job easier. So you got them three questions. Step number two, analysis. So when the answer arrives, right, it's going to list up to 5 niches. And check this if you're a visual learner, right? For digital products and recurring ease of reaching the audience. Present the 5 options in a clean markdown table and then recommend the highest scoring option as the one to focus on and display in a separate code block. Additional steps. Look at what it done. Let's find your most profitable niche. So it asked me them 3 questions. I respond, helping underappreciated online business owners separate, sustain, and grow without burning. Helping underappreciated online business owners separate, sustain, and grow without burnout using strategies, authenticity, and TikTok. Look at the table it gave us, right? From left to right, we have the niche metrics that we are measuring on, right? Being data driven. So the passion fit, proof of expertise, the revenue upside, audience reach. And of course, it knows a bit about me. You can see from the left we're very well acquainted using AIs probably since 2025, from the beginning of 2025, I'd say we finally embraced it. From top to bottom, we have the actual niche. It gives a brief description, a sentence, and look how fire this is, y'all. Solarpreneur Systems, helping solar online business owners build automated burnout-free income machines. That with a total score of 35. And look at this, for example. TikTok to sales pipeline, turning short-form content into consistent revenue for solo creators. That came number 3 and scored a total of 33, right? And it's not that one's, you got to know where to finish to know where to start. If you're feeling more gravitating towards that one, you could go with that one. But at least we're being data driven and seeing, okay, is this an idea we're committing to or chasing to? You know, can I expand on this? Can I grow into this? Like, yeah. Niches 1 and 2 are tied at the top, right? It says this is the one from you. Like, it's a tiebreaker. Apart from 0 to sales to awarding results to solo, that's the full story, right? It's got a backbone. I got a Trello board here, right? And this is where I'm keeping these, so I can easily copy and paste it, right? But I'm put the prompts. I'm gonna put the prompts down below, or on like a, I don't know. We'll create a sheet for you guys to be able to grab. Hopefully, you can do something for Trello, so I can just share something, and you guys can take it from here and copy and paste as you will. But let's get back on there, right? So the second one we pulled out from the Trello board is indeed. You're gonna go with me. Let's get back on Claude. This is the second prompt, right? We're going to put that in. As you can see, the table there as well that we wanted to do. So visually, so we can lock it in as well, right? From left to right, we've got the offer. From left to right, we've got the metrics, sorry, which we're using for the offer. So we've got clarity, urgency, perceived value, and simplicity. And if you're wondering why it says Hormozi style offering scoring card, that's because in the prompt, you're familiar with Alex Hormozi, big him up. and his wife are doing great things, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, praying for their motherland, man. You know what I'm saying? Regardless, man, we all is. So with Hormozy style offerings using the principles, you get clear outcome, tangible and valuable, specific time frames, remove pain, so you're minimizing effort, anything complicated, anything complexity out, right? So we're trying to make it obvious, like that's how we're doing that. Remove fluff, add urgency or contrast for the status quo and avoid the buzzword. So we put all this in clear. You will have this prompt as well, right? It's very intentional. And then you can see score rank, each score from 1 to 10. No ties allowed. Break ties using value and then specificity. Highlight the winning offer. So even if two are tying, we can still get down to the nitty gritty instead of be staring at a blank screen. So the highest one was this one. It scored 35. That one 33. Two tied at 33, but that one gets to number 2 because we added this extra additional information. No ties allowed. Break ties using value, then specificity. Highlight the winning offer. So the winning offer was I help solo online business owners package the knowledge and make their first digital product sale in 30 days without needing a big audience or tech skills. Number 2 was get a done for you content to sell system running in 14 days. So your TikTok works while you sleep instead of burning you out every morning. You can see it there, scored 33 as well. This digital business with one person and a why. Let's go. Yeah, great community, socially pivot point. We're gonna get into this new community we've created. Levels of riches boom room, right? As soon as you get in there, like make an account. And make an account will be easy. Name, email, you want. As soon as you do, you get inside here, right? You'll have a 7-day trial. You can cancel anytime. And remember, we are using AI to make a one person digital biz, right? Goes from idea to money. This is the dashboard. So we're inside after making our account. And we can see from the left hand side, it's got a range of options. Some of them, when you hover over them, create another drop down menu, giving even more options. But it's very intuitive, right? Like, I'm not sure if you remember, like, it's very easy to use. That's what I mean by intuitive. From new beginners making money online to experts who know their way around the park, whether you're growing a community, monetizing and packaging your knowledge. We're going step 1, banner. You could get one easily made on Canva. Description. Check this, guys. So we're gonna come back. I help solo online business owners package their knowledge and make their first digital product sale in 30 days without needing a big audience or tech skills. I'm gonna copy and paste that. We've already identified as the best of the best. Yeah, we've already went through the levels. We ain't staring at a blank screen anymore. All right, straight in. Remove that dash because that is ugly. Now we're back on beautiful. Done. When you guys see that, done. Save, right? Business currency, US dollars, we're done. You can change the layout there as well. Again, be your own boss, you know, have a look at the stuff around, put a banner in, but we're going to go somewhere else right now. We're going to go to the membership for step 2 now, yeah? And here you can choose how members access your business. So if you're going to do a paid community or run your workshop or whatever, come here, membership name, description, pricing. Like we said, it could be 18. You could be doing a 7 a month. You could add a discount. You could do a freaking free trial. I've not even seen that one yet. Welcome message, open package, boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Membership name, boom room accelerator. Just like that. Just like that. And we're what? 13 minutes in. And look how far you've come from building your own digital business, right? Without keep staring at a blank screen for ideas. Because I know you lot ain't meditating. But we're trying to force it. Why are we trying to force it, right? We use AI to pick our niche. We've got the prompts. We use the prompts. Now we're in there building inside of NAS.io. We've set up a paid community. We've added the mission statement, add the banner, click save, it's ready, right? Should I show the bonuses? It can connect a lot of other platforms too. Save. So it connects a range of different platforms, which is insane. Discord, you can connect your Discord, your Telegram, your WhatsApp group, your Facebook group, LinkedIn, Slack, Line. Hopefully we get Asana up in this NAS.io. You know how I'm coming. Hopefully we get Asana in there. But it's got great stuff that people can engage where they already hang out and you can just connect. You can have one umbrella that keeps out all the rain and where you go. Step number 3 is now just creating the product. So boom, we're here, boom, product, create a product. So what was we doing? We got a digital file, membership, one-on-one session. And look from our floor. You guys are probably, again, don't be stressing yourself. Don't give yourself a stamp of disapproval because you think you don't know what you're doing. If you follow these prompts, you have all the information here. We go down here from the third prompt. It gave us modules for this course, right? Knowledge packer. Boom. Got module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, now we just iterate and change as we go. That would be step 3 to create your product. Challenge, but lead form, event, digital file, zero link, which is like a payment link, course, one-on-one session, or memberships. You have a range of options for you to monetize, package your knowledge, and go on to make money online. So yeah, click create, select the digital product. Nas already selects project. Okay, let's see how it does this. It already selects products. Digital file, pricing, remember. Oh, there we go. AI templates. AI templates. Create your. Look at all this. That's mad. So it's got a few templates in here that you can use. Or if you want to start from scratch, you can start from scratch. It is all lead form here, yeah? But guys, you've already got all the information. 17 minutes in, right? Full structure, video models, descriptions. From our AI, I've got you covered. I've got your back, right? I've went through the jungle and I've carved the path for you. You're safe, you're welcome. Just apply and deploy and have something set up. Don't worry if it's perfect or if it's this, if it's that. Put everything out there, then you can start to go and change. There's maybe options with AI where it pre-fills. I've not used that, but that would be great. I know that we definitely use a lot of pre-filling stuff in other places. And the fact that if it's got it here, then yeah, cool. You can customize everything, upload videos, paste YouTube links, and just click publish. Good, boom, boom, boom. 197. Yeah, cool. Say no more. Just try it quick. If not, we'll just keep it moving. Audience about. But as you can see, it's very easy to use, right? I'm going to move on to the next section because you're going to put in your details of your course and your stuff, right? Step 4 is multiply your revenue. This is where it gets interesting, right? Nas has unique monetization layers like we just showed you. The challenges, you've got an idea of a challenge that will work well for whatever you do right now. This is called the 5-day package and profit challenge. Hello, boom, events. Check this. Go back here. Did I have you covered for event? I sure did. The workshop event, package, price, and profit. Your first digital product in one sitting. Look at this. All the information you need to go out there and fill it in. No one else to do this, right? Zero link payments. That just creates custom link payments, right? Coaching with me one-on-one. If someone wants to do a consultation with you, then you call half hour, 1 hour. Send them a link. You get paid. Magic Reach. This is an interesting tool. Market Reach. This and connected with a good few people on LinkedIn. But the way it connects that with that is very, very cool. And you can send emails to your community, and the email opening rate is good. It is very good, man. Paid ads. For you guys who are paying with ads. Magic content. Magic ads is where you play with magic ads. Magic leads. So from clicking finding leads, suggesting a profile for your leads. It's suggesting leads for levels of Richard Broom. Let's see if it finds anyone quickly while we're here, man. And then we'll go through the affiliate side of things because, okay, it's just AI. That the ideal customer for levels of Richard Broom are also a solo online business owners, a solopreneurs, primarily located in the United Kingdom, who speak in countries I'm gonna go with, who want to package their knowledge into digital products and make their first sale quickly without needing a large audience or advanced technical skills. These professionals are motivated, resourceful, and looking for practical steps. Let's just reset it. Go on. Create leads. Let's see what it does. Searching the internet for leads. This platform is nuts. We're building a digital biz, one person digital biz, yeah? And we're only 22 minutes in, and look how much you've done. You've done months worth of work. And look at what you have at your resource, at your tip. Searching the internet for leads, right? This marketing magic section. I mean, you don't want normal, you want magic, right? Magic reach, magic content, magic ads, magic. Boy, it's when I found me some leads. Crazy. I can reach out. Look at that. Real people. You know, you can search it and bare real people to do. These man, he's definitely spent 10 million on AI. Magic leads, magic ads, magic reach. So this is where you'd send messages to people who are by email, right? Automated emails. That's just a welcome message. The member removal message, you can change that. The messages in general, it can be as an email, post, or a WhatsApp DM. I love the way they use the WhatsApp in it. It's a very easy platform to use, man. But yeah, that's how you send an email to the people who are inside your paid community. On the affiliate side of things, you can find that somewhere. Wow, that was easy to find. But yeah, here is where you boost your revenue with affiliate networks. Create paid products, set up your affiliate products and commissions, invite members, create paid products. So once you've created fully some products, say once I finish off product that we were building, I can go to the affiliate section and if I want, help someone else make money, give them 100% commissions for promoting we could go 50-50, we could go 100, but you choose, you know, in this business, you choose when the price goes up, when the price goes down. So when other stuff and the markets are changing, you're not left in like, oh man, this is too high now for the market. This is too, like, you can change and update as you need to. But this, I'm hoping, is just the easy way for you. It's the easiest method, right? Use the prompts, put them into your AI, use the information, copy and paste the information, and by half an hour, if you follow my, you're gonna be a business owner who done it by themselves in record timing. What a time it is to be alive, man. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go on and get out of here, man. It's never been easy to build an online business, and you can start selling in minutes. We saw how Claude is working phenomenal, and it's removing all confusion. It's giving us clarity. We're being intentional. We don't have to second guess, like, will this work? Will this bang? Will this not work? Like, I already know it will work. It's now, am I speaking to the right people or not? But AI removes all that confusion. And now NAS.io, right? The platform, what we're building for our paid community, that just removes the complexity. AI removes confusion. Our community using NAS.io removes complexity, and now you just get to execute. Walk down this yellow brick road. I won't say clear, but you know, entrepreneurship, man, anything can happen. But if you want the best to happen to you, then you got to play to win. If you're serious about stability in 2026, this is one of the easiest ways to start. Use the link, set it up fast, launch fast, get feedback, go again, right? And I'll see you in another one of my vids.